Yo, back with another one, and as you can see, we have a extended slide release and a new trigger for the Glock 26. Now, this is going to be a quick one. I'm just going to go ahead and put it together and show you how it looks. But on camera, the blues look the same, but be warned, if you go with these options, these are not the same blue. This is actually a lighter blue than this. Guns apart, triggers off. Kind of just broke it off, but that's okay because we're not reusing it. And there you have it, the Glock 26 with the Tyrant Designs trigger and extended stop release.